Back at American Iron here in Loomis. There's a couple builds going on here that are really sick, but we're just bringing the frame here just to get a couple things done for the Chevelle. So while we're here, I'll give you guys a little look around. This guy's got a lot of cool cars at this shop.
I just bought the fucking motor like literally right now. Ordered LT5 for this car and the shitter at American Iron. It's pretty cool. Literally just bought that shit about 3 minutes ago. But yeah, we're gonna do LT5 setup. Man, Rich said we gotta do the controller, the pedal, everything's with that fucking kit, so I bought it all. But yeah, anyways, fucking, we're gonna do. I'm gonna call American Powertrain and see what they want to mate LT5 to.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's gonna be a Magnum T56 or it's gonna be a 6060. It'd probably be a 6060 at least, I would think.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Just cause new generation. And I'll get that shit ordered, but
it's just, you know, other than maybe throwing some kind of tabs in there, I think it's kind of a mistake to make too much more. You know what I mean?
Yeah. See, I don't know why he damn near made a little fucking design right there.
Well, I think that's that factory tab. It's just like, I think it just has like
you to,
comes up flat.
Cut it, yeah, flat, and then have hella holes so you can move it back and forth.
I know, but that's kind of
counterproductive.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, you know, normally we got the motor and shit. We throw the motor in there, fucking make it mount, goes where it goes.
I'll have the motor fucking next week, and I'll buy the tranny today, fucking. So I have it.
Yeah.
I mean, I can call the motherfucker real quick, see what he was telling me.
I was calling. We need a fucking.
Well, I mean, the thing is,
swivel knuckle too.
Yeah. Well, I mean, the thing is, like, you know, this right here, we could easily make a fucking little, you know, 1.5 inch flat with some gussets on it, and it could just be adjustable. But I mean, it's like fully guessing.
Yeah, I get it.
This ain't the way to do it.
Yeah.
I mean, I you know.
What do you want me to do? So I just buy
it's $1.25 an hour. I'll weld shit wherever the fuck you want on this thing. you just draw it with a pencil and I'll weld it on, you know?
What do you think? Should buy the tranny and get the tranny here?
I mean, I would. You know, you need to get your stands on there, get the mounts on it, get the motor sat in it.
What I was thinking was, at least we got the mount part.
Oh, you need everything to do that though.
What's the rush to get it to paint?
I mean, I'm ready to take it to paint right now.
No, but what's the rush though?
I don't want to fucking store it on a trailer for fucking a month or two. I mean, I guess we could fucking stand it up in the shop, but
just tip it against the wall. That's what we usually do. Well,
yeah.
all I'm saying is, I mean,
so we should put on jack stands and fucking.
I mean, everybody's got a different way of doing things, right?
Yeah.
Like for me, I'd have the motor, the tranny, the suspension in it and shit. Run the exhaust, put the exhaust hangers in, then take it apart and powder coat it or paint it. I mean,
just make everything once.
Otherwise, you're gonna end up scuffing paint off, having to touch it up. I mean, there's a million ways to build a car.
A rolling chassis without the body on it.
That's what I would do.
Do the brake lines, do everything now. Fuel, everything. Just fucking build it on.
He gotta make that decision.
Well, I'm just saying it would be easier for him because, you know, if he's running a brake line, oh shit, I need a tab. You just tack it on and you're done. You know. But I mean, it's.
So you're saying build it and break it down? That's fine. Oh yeah, fuck it. We'll just do that. We have everything. I mean, this whole front was fucking. It's all Detroit Speed.
I just order that motor and tranny while you're waiting on that. Have them get it assembled. Just make sure everything fits. Because once it's painted, man, you're kind of fucked.
Yeah.
You know.
Think we need to order brakes, wheels, everything?
I wouldn't really trip on the brakes. I mean, you could, but.
I'll just put regular rollers, something just to roll it around on.
Yeah.
You just want to make sure like everything's in there right. You know the. You said it's a Chevelle, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is all first gen Camaro shit.
Is the tunnel all stock and shit in that Chevelle?
It's gonna be cut for 6 feet.
So I think he already modified. I think he already raised it.
Oh,
yeah, it's gotta be. It's gotta clear 6 feet. All right, fuck it.
I would do that. And then whenever you get the shit,
have you come to the shop, take a look at it?
Well, either that or just fucking get it to where it's a roller. You know, you can set the fucking motor in it and just fucking put like a piece of steel across her, a piece of wood, set the, you know, for the train to sit on, roll it over here. I'll do it in an afternoon.
There you go.
And then you
We'll
can
do
take
that.
it back,
We'll do that and then we'll tear it out.
Yep.
That'll work.
Honestly,
That'll work.
long as we go
Cool.
somewhere.
Either that or if they make a kit with the welding pieces and shit, if you got a welder at the shop, I'll stop by and do it at your place.
I do. I got a miller over there.
Yeah.
Just
We
figure
can
out
do
the
that
time,
so you
like,
don't cover it
here,
over.
It don't matter to me. I'll come hang out and take a shit again.
Yeah, that's fine. It's double after fucking 12. Though.
So, hey, the Donk's here back at the paint shop for final assembly, getting all the moldings put on, the glass put back on, getting final assembly like on the door jambs, all the spacing, all the gaps fitted. When the car leaves here, it's gonna come back down to us for the new motor swap, and then go to American Iron for the blower piping. So we're getting ready to final assemble this Donk, man, and get the thing ready for the summer. You feel me? We got Christian's car over here. We got my car over here. We got my boy Rue's LT569 Chevelle on the trailer outside that we're getting ready to put in here, man. All these cars are getting ready to come out, man. Fucking, we're gonna show y'all what we've been talking about. We can show you better than we can tell you, feel me? Clowning.
Damn. Hey, put that shit on my neck.
That's real fun for This is what was dope to me.
Yeah. And
How that
I
took?
wanted him to do that black, but that's all.
We got to drill it. Yeah, that's still good.
Can you load it?
Yeah.
Cause
I
the
want
butt.
to see the heart. I haven't seen it in there yet.
Huh?
Oh, you haven't?
It ain't shit, just a little bit of gold. It ain't nothing. Some basic shit. You're like, nigga, fuck you. It's clowning. Computers. I'd rather have a Windows computer than an Apple computer.
Yeah, that's the same
Keep it
shit.
solid.
I'm a Windows guy and I fucking hate Apple with a passion. Like, fucking, that's it. I hate them. Remember they fired me? Remember they fired me? That's another reason.
That's really.
That's what it
Nigga
is.
back then,
No.
nigga back then, he was on sidekicks. You couldn't tell that nigga nothing about his
Hey,
sidekicks.
back to Nehemiah.
Everybody's
Hey,
talking
no.
about sidekicks. They fired me because they knew I was anti-Apple. Bro, they fired me.
your ass up.
How much you want to bet, bro?
No, Anthony got him in there, my brother.
Yeah.
My brother had the whole hood in that motherfucker and something. That nigga had the whole hood
Your
in
brother
there.
was like, fuck this nigga.
No, he got in there too. Then my fat people.
this shit.
No, Anthony got me the job, even though I argued with this nigga back in the day about Apple all the time.
I was trying to sell computers like, bitch, why you want a fucking Apple?
Anthony's the only one that had knowledge when it comes to Apple. Like, out of all the people that I ever argued with, Anthony's the only one that had knowledge. That was back then, like before we
This was like
first started.
05, 06, years ago.
So I was arguing with all these niggas that don't know shit about fucking shit, and they're just arguing with me. So that's why I get all frustrated, because I'm trying to make my point across, and all y'all bitch ass niggas don't
And the niggas
listen.
be like, man, just shut the fuck up.
Yep,
nigga.
that was
God
it.
damn.
Dude, I can write a fucking.
Oh yeah, no, we're talking about back in the day.
I can write a whole. I can make a whole video, bro. I can be a YouTuber and fucking make a video on how much I hate Apple.
Do it, nigga.
I'm gonna do it. It'd be funny as fuck.
Hey, honestly, that shit
Hey,
might go viral.
record it on your iPhone so you can edit it on there.
That was funny.
I'm gonna take it.
No.
Alright. Ray's finishing up the clutch job on the ZR1. You know, every once in a while the camera guy gets to help out.
How you doing, Grim?
Good. So you wanna let us know why you're finally putting this back together?
Because put it together for the first time, started it, ran flawlessly, besides one problem. We had 3 faulty trunnions in the brand new trunnion kit we got. They were installed correctly, they were oiled before starting, all that good stuff. Like the brass collar inside, I mean, I'll show you right now. I'll show you what they look like good, and I'll tell you what the problem was. So this is a good one. See how it just falls in my hand?
Yeah.
See how it flips all the way around?
Mm-hmm.
That's a nice, perfect trunnion. It's got a little bit of side-to-side play, but there's no side-to-side motion, so it doesn't really matter. That's just the up against the C-clip. But see how it just glides around? The bad ones, I found 2 on the driver and 1 on the passenger. It would go here, and you could literally, it would spin everything. You know, it would lock up and wouldn't spin independently of this cylinder in here.
Yeah.
So basically, instead of risking just 3 bad ones, we said fuck it and rebuild a whole new set of LS3 rockers for this car, both sides. So it's going back together right now, torquing down the head, in ARP's 3-step setup. So yeah, that's about where we're at right now. It's not too much work. I think I'll be done in like an hour.
Well, let's hope so, and hopefully it runs with no weird noises.
Man, weird noises are just not.
It's not a good thing on the startup.
Not the business. So I know I was here last.
We'll be back in a few hours. God, that sounds so good. It's still not loud.
No, it's not. Stock manifolds, stock mid pipe with cats, stock mufflers.
just saying.
No. Who makes the intake? Rotofab.
Yep, you're right.
Nice black Rotofab intake for it. Fits the motif.
BTR stage 2 cam kit, rotofab air intake, lifters, did new oil pan, did the whole pretty much regasket, the whole motor. Like I was telling you originally, the initial issue when we fired it, the rockers, man, they were stuck. I don't know if it's because there's so much dirt and grime. We ended up changing out a new set of rockers on the house. I didn't charge them. He knows I didn't charge them. We just want to make. Oh, here they go right here. Holy crap! There's your old rockers. These are after a hot tank and everything. And you can see the tuning upgrade, the bronze. For some reason they didn't work, and man, I gave you a whole new set out of my pocket. So the car's good now. You can obviously see, we can hear something was wrong. Something was wrong with here. So now everything sounds good. It's camming. Obviously this is the automatic car, so you know you got a little bit of kick. Yeah. So you know, other than that, man, fucking the car's good. Go take it for test drive, see how you like it. 500-mile braking period, you know how it goes. Yes, sir. 450, call me, do oil change, and man, look, you can see we cleaned this shit up.
Yeah,
it was like a whole nother car, man.
It's literally like I popped the hood and I see a whole new car that I never had before, because literally everything was dirty. My guy, it was all dirty the same way. I tried to clean as best I can. My dad wanted to get detailed, but we never got around to it because of COVID.
We wanted to make sure that the car went home clean, man.
Yes, sir. I appreciate that very much.
We're gonna go take it for a test drive, see how you like it.
Stacks me some, baby. You gotta come out here. They freaking do quality work, man. Shit, if I did this on my own, I'll be $6 grand to hold myself.
There you
Period.
go. Yeah.
They do it free, babe. They help you out. We're gonna take this baby out and see how it runs. I can't wait. It's gonna be sick.
What's going on, everybody? Monday morning. Just got back from Medford, Oregon last night from going to a drift event up there, and ended up seeing Louie out there. So I figured I'd get a couple clips of him. That way I can bring him back, show you guys what the event is all about. Here you go, check it out.